Welcome to day 2. The light is not with me today. It's been raining and it's cloudy, but here we go. Welcome to day 2. Welcome to day 2. Yesterday was kind of painful for me to watch, that little thing in my bedroom, so hopefully outside here we have a little bit of better light. So welcome to the Screwy Panda. So far the videos that I've uploaded has been of my dogs in my house. Yesterday, me in my bed. So today I decided to take you guys outside and give you a little bit of a look around. Bear with me, it's been raining and it's cloudy and it's stormy and windy, so the audio is probably not going to be so great, but come with me. So, being a foreigner in China, well, you are taller than average, you are paler than average, and you most likely have a different hair color than average. And people normally stare at you when you walk down the street, might even point fingers at you, say hi, well, yell hi because that's the only thing they can say in English. But imagine what it is to walk around talking to you guys in a little box. People stare even more. But, well, I'm walking out of my complex. Whoa, there we go. And I live in there, of course. And more noise probably appear. It's from the traffic on the street. So let's go out and have a quick look around. So the plan for this weekend is to get out and get some better equipment. Not better equipment because, hey, I'm not a millionaire, but at least get a tripod and some other necessary things, including some backdrops. That's the plan anyway. Whoa, that looks weird. All this rain has really blown leaves all over the place. Have a look. Yesterday there was nothing. Today, well, it's all over the place. But I'm gonna go into my favorite little convenience store, well, and buy a few goodies. Wow, 44 yuan later and I am stuck for this nice little Friday. Let's have a little quick walk. Let's not have a little walk. Let's just walk home. It's freaking cold out here today. Well, it's not so much. Actually, surprisingly, it's November. It should be really cold, but it's not so bad. But after this rain today, it's pretty much cooled down a lot, and it's windy like crazy. Light in my place is terrible. I mean, literally terrible. It's like dark, pitch black dark at night at home, so I decided to have a little stroll around my complex that I live in. Whoa, just a second. Let's move in here for a second, huh? Ugh. Okay. What I was gonna say was that we're going past today, the market that I promised to show you later. Is actually a big market full of small stalls selling everything from cucumbers to rice, live chicken, whatever, you name it. But not today, but I promise to take you there another day. Let's go out in the wind again. Whoa. Okay, screw the wind. Okay, we're back where we started, our little tour of the day. Please, if you have any comments, and I'm serious, if you have any comments, good or bad, how to improve, what I can do better, please write a comment below, because that would really help me, because I'm just starting out. And well, your opinions, you YouTubers, have a lot of experience, so please share it with me. As you can see, it's way too dark to film in here. So that's why I went outside, and I'm panting like crazy. Why am I panting? Well, we live on the 6th floor, so I just had to climb them, and I wanted to do it kind of fast because it was cold. So now I'm standing in the kitchen, a little bit better light, but not filmable in here at all. So checklist for this weekend: new lights. Here's Buddy, our cat dog, or whatever you call him. He loves to sit up in the windowsill, and when I pan around in a second, it's probably gonna be too dark. Oh well, she ran away. The other two dogs are in the living room, where you saw before it was way too dark. That was it for a little tour outside. Outside. I don't know why I say that, but my outside. I said side. Well, no matter what, I hope you enjoyed it. So more will come tomorrow. Stay tuned. See ya. Bye bye.